Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you what you should do if you see the problem F and 066 with the pip signal in the dryer MIELE. If you see the problem F or 066, the indicator is light up and you hear the beep signal. That means there are clogs caused by a lint or laundry detergent residue. Try to clean the lint filter. There is another option. The lint filter was put too wet. Try to squeeze it and install it again. And the last possible cause is the heat exchanger is clogged. Try to inspect and clean the heat exchanger. How to do it you can find on our other video. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.